Hey, Zenify here. I'll be showing you about the Windows debloater along with other things. Let's get right into it. Simply open the first link down in the description, and follow my lead. There will be a lot of ads, but bear with me. Extract the files in anywhere you'd like, then open the file. Now you'll see 3 folders. Don't let excitement kiss your butt cheeks. Let's go with the first folder. I inserted an instruction in that text file so you guys can follow. Simply paste the command in PowerShell. Now, you'll see a window popped up called Windows 10 debloater. Remove all bloatware option. Means it will remove all those unwanted pre-installed application in your computer. You can also revert the changes by pressing Revert Registry Changes. Or, use the restore point you recently made. You can also uninstall OneDrive if it's no longer useful in your perspective. You can also install .NET v3.5 if you need to. After that, the second folder contains 2 applications that reduce input latency. Simply follow my steps so you won't miss a thing. Now, for the third folder. Before we install the application, head over to your graphics settings and enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, and follow my simple steps. Find your Fortnite game folder. Press Options, then enable high performance. Click Save, then you can close the tab so we can install the application. I added Razer Cortex as this application helps clean your system temp files and optimize your installed games. Let's go with Game Booster first. You can use my preferred settings. In Booster Prime, you can optimize your games here. For this video, I'll go with Fortnite game. You can optimize the game for quality or performance. You can see the changes if you scroll down enough. Now let's head over to System Booster. In this option you can clean the temporary files in your computer. You can use my preferred settings. You can also optimize your computer to its full potential by heading over to Speed Up option. Defrag option. Defragging puts all the files that the game needs to run in one continuous space, instead of spreading out all over the hard drive. You can see your computer specs by pressing my rig. Launcher option. It launches your preferred game and make it top priority so it can run faster. And this is the part where I end the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.